Hi, I'm Sachi Sool
And I'm Ayan Kapadia.
from the Jayashree Periwal International School, and we're introducing Project EcoPad. Globally, over 500 million women lack access to safe and hygienic menstrual products. In rural areas, traditional practices and unaffordable options compromise health. The body is most vulnerable to urinary tract infections during menstruation, with its chances increasing by nearly 60%. And it's not just health at stake. Conventional pads take over 500 years to decompose, polluting our planet with plastic waste. The challenge is clear. How do we provide safe, affordable, and sustainable menstrual solutions?
Introducing EcoPad, a breakthrough in both menstrual health and sustainability. Our product is designed to address the urgent need of women while also protecting the planet. At the heart of EcoPad lies aloe vera. The pad is biodegradable and plastic free, ensuring comfort, hygiene, and eco friendliness. It's the first ever menstrual pad to be infused with demanio sugar, known for promoting uterine health and helping the pads reduce the risk of UTIs.
The menstrual hygiene industry today is dominated by a few major players: Whisper, Stay Free, and Always. These brands have built their businesses around plastic based sanitary pads, which have now become the industry standard. But there are several problems associated with this: plastic pollution, health hazards, accessibility, and affordability. So, what's the red ocean trap here? Existing brands focus on performance but ignore sustainability and affordability. And eco friendly pads do exist but are expensive, making them inaccessible to most women. And no product effectively combines affordability, biodegradability, and health benefits. Now, this is where EcoPad comes in, breaking free from this red ocean trap. Our approach isn't just about competing in the existing market. We're unlocking new demand by targeting three distinct groups. First, rural women, the first tier customers. In many parts of the world, sanitary pads are a luxury that millions of women simply cannot afford. For these women, EcoPad is more than just a menstrual product, it's a life changing solution. Second, urban eco conscious consumers, the current market. Today's consumers, especially millennials and Gen Z, are more aware about the impact of their choices. They actively seek out sustainable, chemical free alternatives and are willing to switch to environmentally friendly menstrual products. This is a growing market opportunity. India's menstrual hygiene market is projected to reach $1 billion by 2025, and the global demand for eco friendly menstrual products is growing at 15% annually. By targeting these diverse groups, EcoPad unlocks the completely new blue ocean of demand. The menstrual hygiene industry has remained stagnant, with brands competing on the same outdated factors: absorbency, comfort, and price, while ignoring health and sustainability. EcoPad breaks free from this red ocean competition using the eliminate, reduce, raise, and create grid. A great idea is only as good as the business model that makes it sustainable. And here's how EcoPad succeeds in both impact and profitability. We plan to operate EcoPad on a three legged revenue strategy that ensures that EcoPad reaches the widest possible market. We'll sell EcoPads to retail stores, pharmacies, and supermarkets, making them easily available to consumers in person. Urban consumers looking for convenience and sustainability can order EcoPass through our e-commerce platform, directly delivering to their doorstep on a subscription basis. We'll sell in bulk to NGOs, schools, and hospitals, ensuring that for low-income women, EcoPads are available at subsidized rates. By establishing strategic partnerships with local farmers, we source aloe vera fibers from agricultural waste, supporting sustainable farming and reducing material costs. We also leverage Amul Macho's existing infrastructure, reducing production costs and accelerating our scale up. We also partner with NGOs to educate and distribute EcoPass through awareness campaigns, empowering women to make healthier choices. Let me take you on a walkthrough of our lab, where innovation meets purpose. Here, EcoPad's journey begins with rigorous research and development of our prototype pad. We focus testing on absorbency and softness of the aloe vera fiber to ensure maximum comfort. Our R&D also includes anti-adhesive tests on D-mannose to explore its potential in reducing bacterial attachment, aiming to lower the risk of UTIs. And EcoPad isn't just an idea. We've made real progress. We've developed and tested EcoPad. We've raised 30 lakh in funding from BioWorth and Ninja Wellness. We've partnered with the Mool Macho, significantly lowering our production costs. NGOs have signed agreements to distribute EcoPads in underserved areas, and a 40% annual growth rate is expected with profitability in just 2 years. EcoPad is not just a product, it's a movement. So join us in revolutionizing menstrual healthcare, one EcoPad at a time.